how to download Epic Games on PC or laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about downloading and installing the Epic Games launcher. So follow the simple steps. First, you need to go ahead, launch your web browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Then go to store.epicgames.com. Once you're in the official website of Epic Games, go ahead, tap on download, which is highlighted in blue color in the top right corner of your screen. Now, once the installer has been downloaded on your device, go ahead and tap on install. Give administrative privileges. Agree to any security pop-ups during the installation. And once installed, sign in with your email and password or through another platform. If you don't have an account, you can click on Create Account, read and accept the end user license agreement, and then tap on Accept. Choose an install location for your games, and you can now use the store to browse and install games. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.